Hey everybody, I got some more tool deals for you guys. Harbor Freight, they started their 10 days of deals. So for the next 10 days, it looks like they're going to be unlocking some new deals. Unlock a new deal every day. Today's deal is 50% off any single Apache case. Now this is going to be in stores only. So you will have to go to the stores to take advantage of this deal. But 50% off all the Apache cases. So really good deal going on right now. So they got the 9800 weatherproof case. This is usually the cheapest price we've seen it at is $99. So $169, but you'll be able to get 50% off on that. So that's going to be the lowest price, right around say about $85, doing some quick math there. So that's the cheapest that we've seen the 9800 priced at. Even the parking lot sale, I think it only got down to like $99. But they got a bunch of different sizes of these cases. They got the pistol case here, 1800, it's $12.99, 50% off on that. The 5800 rolling case, $100, 50% off on that. And then they got some bigger, larger cases. They got the extra large case, which is the 4800, available in all these different colors. They got the 3800, which is just their large, and that one is $40. So be able to pick that up for only $20. So I just want to do a quick video, guys. Deal alert at Harbor Freight, 50% off any single Apache case. In stores only, while supplies last, May 13th only. This is their first deal that they released for their 10-day deals. So make sure you grab this coupon code on their website and head over to your Harbor Freight. Take advantage of this deal. If you guys have been looking for Apache case, this is the best time to pick one up. Hopefully you guys found the video useful. Smash that like button. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. Until the next one, guys, I'll talk to you later.